Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting podcast episode. I'm Alina, and today we'll be diving into the most popular and widely read news stories in the refrigeration industry from last week. We have some amazing updates lined up for you, including new heat pumps, innovative partnerships, and much more. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First up, Danfoss BOCK has introduced RefCare, an exciting new after-sales service for their BOCK compressors. This initiative is aimed at enhancing technical expertise in local markets through the creation of centers of excellence. These RefCare centers will provide top-notch support through trained and certified partners who can perform warranty inspections, repair compressors, train customers, and offer support in local languages. This not only speeds up the repair process, but also aligns with Danfoss's sustainability agenda. The first RefCare hubs are already up and running in the United States, Latin America, and China. In other news, MIRAI Intex has completed all stress tests on its new turbo compressor using propane. Two models are being introduced, the MT230 and MT350. These compressors are designed to last 20 years without maintenance, operate oil-free, and provide energy-efficient, low-noise performance. The use of propane as a refrigerant makes these compressors environmentally friendly and efficient, opening up new market opportunities for companies specializing in chillers and heat pumps. Next, Danfoss has officially opened a massive new factory in Tallahassee, Florida, doubling its production capacity for oil-free compressor technology. This 145,000 square foot facility supports the company's goal of decarbonizing HVAC systems and achieving carbon neutrality by 2030. The factory utilizes solar power, Turbocor compressors, and a heat recovery system, making it a cornerstone of Danfoss's green growth strategy. The company is also expanding its presence globally with new facilities in China and Denmark. Exciting news from Lennox International and Samsung. They've announced a joint venture named Samsung Lennox HVAC North America, aimed at selling ductless mini-splits, air conditioning, heat pumps, and variable refrigerant flow products in the US and Canada. Samsung will hold a 50.1% stake, while Lennox will own 49.9%. This collaboration aims to combine Samsung's innovative HVAC technology with Lennox's strong market position, offering a comprehensive range of solutions. The venture is expected to be operational in the second half of 2024. And finally, Ideal Heating has launched the HP290, a new monoblock heat pump that promises efficient and low-carbon heating and hot water throughout the year. This is their first domestic air source heat pump using R290 refrigerant, known for its low environmental impact. The HP290 boasts a high seasonal coefficient of performance, easy installation, and user-friendly controls. It's compatible with various heating systems and ensures fast reheat times, making it a fantastic eco-friendly alternative for homeowners. That wraps up our top stories in the refrigeration industry for this week. I hope you enjoyed these updates and found them informative. Remember, you can read these and other news in full on our website, refinedustry.com. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay cool and keep innovating.